Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student of first prep, today we are going to solve questions for April revision. We have questions for Unit 2 and we have exams for Al-Adwaa. Okay, let's start with 3 exams. We will have 6 choices in each exam. Okay, we have a multiple choice. We will solve all the exams. We have Al-Adwaa and we have Al-Muasir also exams. We will start today with Al-Adwaa. Okay, wait for the answer and let's start. Okay, question number 1 says that ammonia combines with conc hydrochloric acid producing. Okay, we said we have different kind of combination reaction. We have combination of element with element, non-metal, two non-metals, or metal with non-metal. But we have here combination between ammonia as a compound and hydrochloric acid also as a compound. Okay, so we have the equation of ammonia NH3 reacts with hydrochloric acid HCl, and we will write on the arrow conc. Okay, it is abbreviation for concentrated. We will write the word conc here. Okay, and we have one product. We said that we have from combination we have one or single product. We have which one will be the product. We have ammonium chloride will be its color. Okay, we can see white percepted. Okay, it is on the floor of the tube. Black cloud, okay, it's like when burning a piece of carbon or coal. White clouds, okay, when we have two compounds, they make a reaction, so they will make a white cloud, as one of them is very active as hydrochloric acid conc, so we will not see any percepted black or white. Okay, we will not see any percepted, as we have glass rod wetted with ammonia, and we have white fumes formed of ammonium chloride, white clouds or white fumes forms of ammonium chloride, and its symbol NH4Cl. Okay, so the right answer will be white cloud of ammonium chloride. Okay, this is easy question and it's very important one from the previous unit 1. Please study hard the chemistry, as it you will have it in the next year. Okay, question number 2 says that the substance that result from the burning of coal and cellulose fiber cause what? Okay, we said that coal and cellulose fiber are very harmful for us. What are the result of them? Okay, we said that they causes lung cancer or headache, fainting, eye cataract. Okay, so we have different diseases. One of them causes from coal and cellulose fiber. We have the first one here, lung cancer. Okay, all respiratory system malfunction or inflammation causes, or lung cancer causes by coal and cellulose fiber. But headache and fainting causes from carbon dioxide, as what, as a gas, or and carbon dioxide acidic oxide that causes headache, fainting, stomach ache, and may lead to death. Okay, eye cataract caused by what? Caused by sulfur compounds or sulfur oxide compounds. Okay, we have a different functions for the harms of oxide of gases or gases oxide. Okay, let's going to question 3. An object weight on the earth's surface is related to what force? Okay, we said that we have attracted with a natural force that connected the body to the earth's surface. We have electromagnetic, gravitational, weak nuclear, and strong nuclear. We have kinds of natural forces that we have 3 kinds. Okay, we have electromagnetic. Okay, so we have 2 of the electromagnetic, one coming from the electromagnet and the other come from the electric motor or generator. Okay, the other one coming from the weight of the body, or we said it's a gravitational force due to the attraction of the earth to the bodies to its center. The last one, we have the nuclear force. We have the weak one and the strong one. The weak one used in electricity and some researches, and the strong one used in massive destruction. Okay, we have all functions of these. So object weight of the earth related to what? Related to gravitational force. Gravitational force. Okay, I think it's easy question, but we must know the right word. Okay, let's go to question 4. Question number 4 says that the bar used in the electromagnet is made of. We have different materials, and the main use for it will be good conductor of electricity, as we take electric energy and convert it into electric energy. So we have aluminium, wrought iron, isolated copper, and plastic. If we have plastic, not will be what will be conductor or isolated. Also isolated copper, it made from plastic from outside. So we have aluminium and wrought iron. Okay, if we want to conduct electricity with very high amount and conduct easily and lose it easily, we use what? As we use soft or wrought iron bar that as a material can gain electricity easily and lose electricity easily when connecting to the electric current or the electric source in the electromagnet. So it will convert easily electricity through it, and the magnet will attract the iron blocks or crabs that can travels from some area to another. So the right answer will be wrought iron. Okay, we have question 5. The air brake performance is an application of what? We said that we have two very important application for our uses. We have one for friction force and the other for inertia force. We have one for friction force, that will be the car brakes that we use to make what? To make or stops the friction force. Also we have the safety belt that stops the force of inertia and prevent the injuries of human. Okay, so the right answer of car brakes will be what? Will be friction force. It is an application that will stops and allow the car to start and stopping the car movement. Okay, let's go into question 6. The speed of light waves in free space is what? The speed of radio waves. Okay, both of them are electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic wave can travel with very high speed. Okay, neglected which kind of wave, but its light will be equal light wave, like equal the radio waves, as they have a very high speed, 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light and the speed of radio waves, and both are what? Electromagnetic waves. So they are equal to each other in making very high speed. Okay, this is the first 6 questions for the first exam of our revision today. I hope you understand every point. Okay, let's go into the second exam. Okay, we have the second exam. Question number 1. If the Earth's gravity acceleration is 10 meter per second power 2, then the mass of an object whose weight is 60 Newton is what kilogram? Okay, we have the rule that weight equal mass time acceleration gravity. So we want what? We have here the weight or gravity acceleration, and we have what? We have the weight 60 Newton. The gravity acceleration 10 meter per second, and the weight will be 10 Newton. So we will make a division for mass equal weight divided the gravity, or divided 10. Weight 60 divided 10 will giving what? 6 kilo. So the right answer will be 6 kilo. The right answer will be 6 kilogram, that it is the mass of the body of when we measure weight for it. Okay. Motion of a train, question 2. Motion of a train is, okay, train, stops and movement, stop and move, stop and move. All of these make what? Make a from one place to another, so we make a transitional motion. We have a periodic motion, kind of motion that repeated regularly in equal periods of time, vibrating motion that make a vibration around a origin point or a single point two successive time in the same direction. Wave motion means that the body make a vibrations to the medium in the direction of wave propagation. But we have transitional motion. Transitional motion means that the body or the train make a start and movement from the start point, and it will reaches to the end point. Okay, let's go into question 3. Gravity will what happen to it by increasing the weight or increasing the height, increasing the height or distance from the earth's center. Okay, we said we have factors affecting the gravity. If we have distance from the center of the gravity or place away from the center of the gravity or the center of the earth. Okay, we said that your body, we have object center of the body that attracted to the earth. Your leg is the center of your body that make you stand on the earth. So if we move away from the earth's surface, the gravity will decreases, and we have the weight will be also decreases as the gravitational force or the gravity, its amount will be changed, and the distance will be make a difference. So gravity what increase height from surface as we move away from the earth's surface, so the gravity will be what will be decreases. Okay, gravity decreases by increasing the height or distance from the earth's center. Okay, it's easy question, but we must understand the word correctly. Increasing the height means that away from the earth's surface, away from the earth's center or surface. Okay, so the gravity will decrease as it's a inverse relation. As we go away, gravity decrease. As we go away, distance increase, but the gravity will decreases. Okay, let's go into question 4. Question 4 says that the sum of reactants masses in any chemical reaction is what? The sum of products masses. We have a rule that we called it what? The law of mass conservation. Law of mass conservation says that the sum of reactant and product of the sum of reactant and the product at the end of reaction will be equal or the same at constant temperature. Okay, so we have what? Equal to. We have the right answer will be C, equal to, not double, not more than, not less than. So it will make a balanced chemical equation as we have the amount of reactant equal the amount of product, or the masses of reactant equal the masses of product. Okay, let's go into question 5. Inertia force affects the what object? Okay, we have the moving, static, moving and static, no correct answer. Okay, inertia force affects what? If you sit on the chair inside the bus and starts to move, you will feel that you are go to the back or rush backward. Okay, and when the car stops suddenly, you feel that you rush forward. So the effect of inertia, you feel it in both cases, in the moving and the static object. So the right answer will be letter C, moving and static. The right answer will be letter C, moving and standing. Make the effect of inertia, or we feel the effect of inertia everywhere around us. When you put a coin above the card and remove the card very quickly, the coin will fall down in its place. Why? As it will resist, or it will can't move or can't affect the high speed that comes suddenly, so it will fall in its place, that making what? The inertia force. The inertia force. Okay, let's go to question 6. If the car moves in opposite directions with velocity of, okay, we have the velocity 60 kilometer per hour, the driver of the first car observes that the second car moves with a velocity of what? Okay, we have here the opposite in directions. We have someone comes in direction and the other opposite in direction. So we have the first one will be in 60 kilometer, okay, but in opposite direction. So the second one will be what? To it will be 120. Why? As you feel that you are coming in front of me, and we will have the first car observes that second car moves with a velocity of 120 kilometer per hour, as you feel that it comes with a very high speed in front of you. Okay, you feel that it will make a rush for you, or make an accident with a very high speed, as it opposite in direction, so it will make an doubling in the velocity of the car. Okay, it's an easy question. I think we have the second exam, we have 6 also questions. For the third exam, let's start. We have the first question. In the third exam, we have the reaction of carbon monoxide with oxygen produces. We have carbon monoxide, it is a compound, reacts with oxygen, element and compound. We have CO reacts with oxygen O2, that giving what? That giving CO2. So the right answer will be letter A. Question 2. When car moves forward, suddenly the passenger rushes. Okay, we said that we have the passengers take the speed of the car, so they will rush what? They will rush backward, as they have the car suddenly prevent the action. Okay, so when it starts forward suddenly, so the passenger rush what? Rush backward to prevent the stopping, so prevent the starting, or the body and the car they are stopping, that will prevent the happening action happen suddenly, so they will what? They will rush backward to, due to the force of what? Due to the force of inertia. So let's go into question 3. If the mass of an object decreases to half, okay, what happened to it? The weight will what? The weight will decreases to half. If the mass of an object decreases to half, so its weight will also decreases to half its value, as it is a direct relation between what? Between the weight and mass. Between them there is a constant value, gravitational force, and if the weight increase, the gravity increase. So sorry, mass increase. But when the weight decrease and also the mass decrease, also they are direct relation between them. So when the mass of an object decreases to have its value, the weight also decreases to have its value. It's a direct relation between mass and weight. Okay, let's go into question 4. Thank you for joining. I hope you can understand every point. If you have any question, please send me. You have any you have two ways of communication, and you have that channel that you will find very effective revisions for the all the lessons that we have taken for the exam of April. I hope you enjoy. Good luck and goodbye.